Well, hello everyone. Today I am making vegan hash. And so I have already placed in red and yellow potatoes, carrots, some butternut squash, and some sweet potato. Don't you just love my spice spinner? So I add a little garlic powder, salt and pepper, and some paprika in here. I'm going to brown some, yes, field roast Italian sausage and field roast chorizo sausage. I am going to add some spinach, some kale, and some broccoli. Shortly after uploading my last video, my husband had to have surgery, and so that's what I have been doing, is taking care of him, making sure he has everything he needed, to make sure while he's resting in his bed that he don't go stir crazy. So whatever he wanted, whatever he needed to make him happy, that's what he got. But guys, I'm just thankful that he is healing supernaturally. He is doing so well, and I'm thankful to the Lord for that. Here I added 1 whole onion and I chopped up 3 garlic cloves. So I wanted that to go in last just so that my flavor would be fresh when I eat it. Also, I added pomegranate vinegar, a little sweet, just to take away the little bitterness. I didn't add too much, but it did add flavor to it. It was very tasty. So you don't have to use that, but I like it. You can use balsamic vinegar if you like, but I just want to do something different. And so this dinner is just about ready. But guys, I'm looking forward to getting back on my regular routine, starting today. And I pray that we will not have any more interruptions this year. So I look forward to just spending more time with you guys. And please leave a comment down below. And if you haven't subscribed, please do so and hit that notification bell. And you who have just joined the Vegan with Soul family, thank you so much for all of your support. I really do appreciate it, guys. I really, really do. So we're doing great. We're growing, and I'm happy about that. But guys, thank you so much for watching Vegan with Soul, and I'll catch you next time in my kitchen. Bye, guys.